question 4. So, you really do need to learn these R formulae. So this is the one we're going to be using. Now really it's the second line that you really need to learn, because each time they pretty much give you the first line. We're being told to put this into this format, so really they're completely pointing us towards this top line, but what you do need to remember is this bottom line, this second line. So for this particular question, 6 is the number in front of cos theta, so 6 is A. 8 is the number in front of sin theta, so B is 8. Now we work out R because it is the square root of A squared plus B squared, so the square root of 6 squared plus 8 squared, square root of 100, which is 10. R is 10. Now to work out alpha, we can use either of these two. I've used R cos alpha equals A. R cos alpha equals A. Just worked out R to be 10. So 10 cos alpha equals 6, because our A is 6. Divide both sides by 10. Cos alpha equals 0.6. Get out our calculator and inverse cos in radians mode. Look, radians. So we get alpha being 0.927. So popping it into the form of R cos theta minus alpha, we've got R being 10, alpha being 0.927, so 10 cos theta minus 0.927. Now for part B, 1, we need to note that the second term in the denominator is this. So we can replace this with what we've just worked out this alternative format is. So we're replacing this with this, which I've done here. Now we're trying to maximize P, so maximize the numerator, minimize the denominator. Now we can't do anything with the 12, but to minimize this term, think of the cos curve. The minimum we get on the cos curve is -1. So with the appropriate level of theta, we can make this part -1. So 10 lots of -1, which is -10. So 4 over 12 minus 10, 4 over 2, which is 2. So our maximum of P theta is 2. Now we're being asked to work out the value of theta at which this maximum occurs. So what value of theta allows this to be -1? So cos theta minus 0.927 equaling -1. So inverse cos both sides, again calculator in radians mode, gives us theta minus 0.927 equals pi. Add 0.927 to both sides, we get theta being 4.073 sig figs.